Get ready with me while I do my hair and talk about hair products. I am a professional hairstylist, but I also have super fine, easily greasy, thin hair, and I know the pain of having hair like that. And the number one concern is always getting volume. You don't want your hair flat to your head. And almost all of my fine haired clients and followers talk about all the time how they are afraid to put products in their hair because they don't want their hair to be weighed down. The reality is that the reason that your hair is flat, or the reason that your hair won't hold any styles for more than 20 minutes, is because your hair needs product. If your only experience up until this point has been that product leaves your hair feeling dirty, greasy, weighed down, looking flat, just feeling gross in general, is that you're probably not using the right products for your hair. Or you're simply not using the product right. You're using too much, too little, or you're putting it in and letting your hair air dry when it's supposed to be blow dried in because it's heat activated. Getting to know what products will be best for your hair and learning how to use them best for your hair will be greatly beneficial in you hitting your hair goal. It can take a ton of time and energy to make your hair do something that it doesn't naturally do. So it's totally fine to just embrace your hair the way it is and just let it be fine and flat. But if you do want to pump up that volume and get your styles to last all day, you're definitely going to have to get over your phobia of hair products. And make time in your routine to style your hair, whether that's adding some texture with some curls or using a round brush to do a blowout. So I want to help you just like I help my clients. I would love to help answer your questions about hair products. Let me know what problems you have with your hair, what your hair type is, and I can recommend products that you can try. Let me know in the comments, and hopefully you guys like my look for the day.